Hi guys, welcome to Engineering 206 Statics. I hope you had a great summer. I know I did. My name is Dr. Tucker and I will introduce myself a little bit better next week. I look forward to seeing you guys in person in class next week. And then I'll get to know you all a lot better pretty quickly. It's a small class, so we should be able to get through this together. I wanted to get you started on your textbook. I know you're kind of eager to see what's going on and that sort of thing. First of all, if you just go to My SAU and open Blackboard, open this class, Engineering 206. And the Blackboard shell looks something like this. Announcements are here. At the top of announcements, I always have a Zoom link where if you're going to be absent, you can Zoom in. But be sure and email me and let me know if you have to be absent, because I won't Zoom unless I have to, unless everybody's here. So you need a good reason to be absent. But if you have to be absent, please let me know so that I can record it on Zoom that day. Zoom it that day so that you can join class remotely. Meet Your Instructor has a little bit of bio information on me. It's a bit out of date, but again, I'll introduce myself the first day of class and we'll get to know each other a little better. The syllabus is posted here. Be sure and read through the syllabus and be aware of everything that's in there and how I grade and that sort of thing. Then class introduction video, that's what this is at this link. Textbooks and information. I'm going to show you how to get into the textbooks. You really don't need that much, but that is there for what our textbook is. So what you'll need to do is go into the Master Engineering link right here. Most of your homework and the tests are going to be through Mastering Engineering. The email is here. Your grades are here. We don't have any discussion board in there. Christian faith paper, it talks about it in the syllabus. There's also information here with the rubric, and this is where you submit your Christian faith paper. Then class lecture slides. Here are some PowerPoint slides that have to do with the lectures each day. I will be using those. So again, a lot of my students in the past just like to follow along on their computer as we're doing it in class. Then, so that's pretty much it for now. So if I go into Mastering Engineering link, from my side, it looks like this. And you always want to go in here where it's got the home page, because that'll give you the menu. So that's the best place to access it. For me, it will take me straight into the class right now. And so over here, I've got the e-text, I've got a study area, some different things there for you to look through. You will not see this when you first open it because you haven't purchased the textbook yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and go to the student view and show you what it will look like from your side. From your side, when you click on this link, it will take you to a page that looks like this because you haven't purchased the textbook yet. So you just want to look through this and say, I accept. And then it will take you to a page like this. If you've ever used a My Pearson account before, such as My Reading Lab, My Math Lab, My Stat Lab, you can use the same login information. If you haven't, then you'll just create your account with your email, set up your password, agree to these conditions, and then it'll take you to the next page. I obviously don't want to put in this information. So I'm going to take you to a screenshot of a different class and what the next page will look like. Here's the screenshot. If you have an access code that you bought through the bookstore, you would just click here and put in your access code, and then you'll be able to get into the course. If you haven't, over here you can put a credit card in and purchase. This is probably not the price because this is a different class. This is probably a math class. Sometimes it'll give you some options like getting it for 16 weeks. I think the students in this engineering class last time told me to be careful because some of them did not have the ebook with it, and you definitely are going to want the ebook. If you want a hardback copy that just costs more money, you're welcome to have it, but you don't need it because the ebook is here. So again, get what you need for that. If you're not positive you're going to stay in this course, then get the temporary access code. We're going to have homework from the get-go, so make sure you either buy it or get the temporary access code. This is only good for 14 days, so make sure you've taken care of it before it runs out. If it runs out on test day and you don't have a credit card or some way to purchase it and you can't get into it on test day, then that's not good because it's hard to recover from a 0 on a major test. So you've got 14 days to take care of that, so make sure you do. If you know you're going to be in the course, just don't go there, and then you don't have to worry about it. So again, one of these ways you need to make sure you get in your textbooks so that we can get going, hopefully before you come to class the first time. So, all right, so from now on, when you go into the course, it will look like mine. I'm exiting the preview because I don't want to go back to where you get straight into the course. So when you click on my engineering link and you go to the home, it will take you straight into the course, and then you can start working course home on homework. So if you look here, it shows you chapter 1, general principles. So that's the next homework that's due. So you would click here and here's your homework. Again, mine looks different. I can't see it from your standpoint, which is something I don't like, because in all the other Pearson, my math lab, my stat labs, I can always work the problems myself as if they've never been done. This shows them already with the right answer. I can't actually input it myself to see what issues you might have with inputting your answers. So again, I'm going to kind of depend on you guys. I think I gave you 6 chances, and that sounds like a lot, but it's real easy to miss these. One problem takes a lot of time. It's a difficult course. It is an engineering course. So again, I'm giving you 6 chances on the homework because there are a lot of chances to miss it. So, and we don't have very many problems in each homework set because they do take a long time to do. So we'll talk about that more in class, but hopefully that will get you in the textbook and get you started, and we'll go from there. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Enjoy your weekend, and God bless you.